Enough of them now go like we, yeah. Wicked people, yeah. So sad to watch you try. Yeah. Some people, yeah. Some people forget bad mind of the week, bad mind of the year. Right now as we speak, see right through them fake smile and them skin teeth. Them have a dirty toxic energy where them a keep. But go and rise, roll up your head, nobody pay them no mind. Enough of them what said them loyal, me I left them to time. Some of them what text your phone as you get up, but them a check up. Them same one we set you up, if you wet you up. How them bad mind so? How them bad mind so? Chat about them a help you, watch how them a chop you down, cause them no want you grow. Why make them all dirty so? Why some of them evil so? Why enough of them envy? Drain out your energy, that me want fi know. We growing on the street, man and no weak fence. Watch bad mind a pre, them a fi beat fence. Big lawyer Queen's Council fi the defense. So me nah make them join me not the deep ends, no. Someone like them real, but that's false pretense. Them ready fi cut when them hear say things get real tense. Brother, check your friend them who you party with, who you party with. Be careful who you carry upon your real ends, yeah. How them bad mind so? How them bad mind so? Chat about them a help you, watch how them a chop you down, cause them no want you grow. Why make them all dirty so? Why some of them evil so? Why enough of them envy? Drain out your energy, that me want fi know. Why you name them sit down? Enough of them just a chat. Some of them love the mix up, or what them gain from that. Enough of them a get close if you have cheese, them a rat. Some a hypocrite, some pretend fi be aristocrat. Wonder what kind of art some of them people you got. Sit down in the car with you and a pray for you crash. No jelly can do the work, a battery you see. Enough of them fi use when them heart want fi wash. How them bad mind so? How them bad mind so? Chat about them a help you, watch how them a chop you down, cause them no want you grow. Why make them all dirty so? Why some of them evil so?